Hi, my name is Mohsin Jameel, and I started my company Bull Infotech in 2014. Bull Infotech offices are based in the financial hub and in the heart of London. Prior to Bull Infotech, I was a CEO of foreign exchange firm. It was during this time I realized there were opportunities in the financial technology sector, which gave me the idea to start my own fintech firm. We are a global software and consultancy firm. We provide solutions for corporate customers, especially around financial sector. Our major approach is to develop trading tools for FX brokers. We understand the requirement of different tools and develop them as per the broker requirements, which is the right platform and technology on a long-term and short-term basis. We have industry-specific products like CRM, which is Customer Relationship Management Software, packaged enterprise applications such as Microsoft, Oracle, and SAP, risk management tools for FX brokers, Bull-Eye Bridge, which gives FX brokers the ability to control their risk, and our signature product, which is cryptocurrency platform. We have recently built a cryptocurrency technology for a Spanish firm, Bitsolives. It is one of our unique products which allows client to buy and sell bespoke crypto coin, which is Bucks coin, through its unique exchange. We have integrated MT4, MetaTrader 4, which is world's most tradable platform, into Bucks coin exchange, giving access to the clients to trade on cross crypto pairs. Clients will be able to trade on crypto versus foreign exchange pair through our unique Bull-Eye product. And we also have developed a tool embedded with algorithmic formula which will increase the market cap of coin through trading volume. In Bull Infotech, we provide products and services for industries. We do understand that one size does not fit all, and it requires thoughtful leadership and value creation. And that's what makes our product and us unique and different.
So can we invite Mr. Mohsin Jameel on the stage?
Everybody,
Loudly!
please stand. Please stand.
भाई सब जागे तो हैं? हाँ तो ठीक है. Mr. Mohsin Jameel, please.
So much for the warmest welcome for my dearest friend, Mr. Mohsin Jameel. Maja nahi aaya. Please feel the power. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So, sir, now you are here, flying from London. Lots of people are waiting for you. How do you feel, sir?
I'm nervous, to be honest.
Really? Oh, no. Even I learned so many things from you, right? Don't tell me like
So much,
this.
Ganesh. Honestly, I'm overexcited, to be honest.
Okay.
And yes, of course, I was looking for this big day for a very long time. You know, we are working tirelessly for last 2-3 months.
Correct.
And we all are, getting towards this big day.
Okay.
And finally, we are here today,
Okay, sir.
Sort of the excitement has geared up more after looking at such a lovely audience sitting out here. I heard people have come from all part of the world, which makes this seminar even more special, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So, sir, now I'm going to hand over this session to you. And before this, I request personally my friends who are sitting here, right? The time is now, just listen carefully what exactly he is going to discuss about coin, even like I am also going to do that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ganesh, once again. Good morning, everyone. That's the spirit. How are you feeling today? Good. Are you all focused? Good. So I think you guys have already seen my profile, so I'm going to just probably assimilate everything and probably try to give you more insight about myself. And yeah. Thank you, Gautam. Yeah, it's always been a pleasure to be in such a lovely city, Pattaya. You know, I've been traveling all over the world, and Pattaya has always been a best destination. I always look forward to come here because, you know, London is always very, very hot. And, you know, it's always a good to ditch the weather in London and come to a beautiful weather. And wow, what a lovely weather today out, you know. And I was coming down from my hotel room. I look outside, I look a bright sunny day, and that's make you more enlightened. You feel more energetic. And when you make an entry into a hall and you see such a lovely audience, you get more energy, you get more excited. I've been working on this project for last couple of years now, and finally we have come to an end. We are here today to launch Bucks Coin. And before we go more detailed presentation, my presentation is a little bit more technical, so I want you to sit tight, fasten your seat belt, because you all are going to sit in a plane of Bucks Coin and we will take off. Are you ready? Good. My name is Mohsin Jameel. Many of you know me very well, but just to give my background, I have been in the financial industry for the last 20 odd years, based in London, and my industry experience is from retail banking all the way to the derivative trading. So it's a very good combination. I've seen all sides of the financial sector, as I said, right from the banking to the derivative side. When I say derivative, basically it's a foreign exchange market. And foreign exchange market is one of the biggest financial market in the world. It's the market which is 24/7. It's the market where all the banks are trading. It's the market where the retailers are trading. And when the concept of cryptocurrency came in the market, I was actually thinking, you know, that was in 2013 when we were actually at the peak of our achievement on the foreign exchange side. But the problem we are encountering at that time was people are coming to us saying that, look, we are facing a lot of issues on the payment side. You know, is there any solution? And the first thing that came to my mind, and I think that was an evolution of cryptocurrency through Bitcoin, which has created a benchmark actually in the market and sort of created a landscape, you know, for the digital world. So it was really a very good combination connecting two sides of the world together. And that was the inception of Bull Infotech in 2014. My contribution in the foreign exchange market for the last 10 years, you have seen my website. I have been recognized in the UK and in the world through various awards that I won for my contribution. I won the Best Entrepreneur Award. I have converted my company into a multi-million-pound company in a 3-4 years' time. So I have that sort of experience. And when I met the team of Bitsolives, the concept was created, and we thought this is the right time. Let's hit the market. Let's go and create a revolution. And then we started building the Bucks Coin. Bull Infotech basically is a London-based firm. I am the founder and the director of the firm. And as I said, at that time, I was actually looking to that particular gap in the market. And it was the right time, right opportunity. We started building different software for the foreign exchange market. And then we started building up the cryptocurrency platform. And we geared up. London is a very, very important place for the financial market for various reasons. One of the reasons is it's a highly regulated market. Second, it's the financial hub where all the banks and financial institutions have their offices. And the prominent location of London itself has made it more important in the financial industry. Why? Because it is connected to the different part of the world. So when London closes, US open. When US closes, South Asia open. When South Asia closes, UK open back again. So that is where it is located. And it is that's the reason the financial market is traded 24/7. Right? So I'm going to take you more insight of the Bucks coin. Now, Bucks coin is a very innovative concept that we have put together. You all know about the cryptocurrency very well, yeah? And there are so many alternative currencies in the market. Some are really main, and some are, they are just growing in a very infancy stage at the moment. But the important part to understand on the cryptocurrency side is the value of the coin. That is the most important point. Anybody can create a coin. Anybody can create a cryptocurrency. But the thing is, how can you sustain the value of that coin? That is more important. And that is what we have to look into. Because people are doing investment from all over the world. What people are actually looking on the investment side is how we can multiply their money. And that is where the concept of the price value come into existence. So, I'd like to welcome all of you to my presentation. To start with, first of all, my office basically is based in central London, and the reason we have opened an office in central London because it's a financial hub where all the banks and financial institutions are there. So it's very easy to get connected to those institutions because you always get to learn about the technology. You also get to learn what is going on in the market and what new products are coming in the market. So you're always ahead of the market. Sorry. So under Bull Infotech, we have developed many softwares. We have developed software around the foreign exchange market. The main part of the Bucks coin is basically to connect the two parts of the world. One is the foreign exchange market, and I know many of you are thinking, why foreign exchange market? The reason I'm saying foreign exchange market is because, as I said, it's one of the biggest financial market, and maximum volume is traded on that market. When any financial product comes into existence, or when it is floated in the market, it is very important that it is to be connected to that part of the financial world which actually gives it a push from the demand and supply side. So that is where my existence comes into place. So, as I said, the Bitsolives team have approached me in 2014, and then we started working on the concept of cryptocurrency. And recently, once we have done the tie-up, we sat together actually, we discussed the concept, and we decided that yes, we are going ahead with cryptocurrency. We will launch our own coin, which is Bucks coin. But the important part of the Bucks coin is how can we create a value? How can we push the price up so that people who are doing investment with us, their money grows up? And that's where we come into place. We have recently floated our press release. You can see when we did a partnership. It has been picked up widely, actually, all across the world. Many leading newspapers has picked up because for them, it is completely a new, unique concept. Right now, as I said, even if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is not traded in the foreign exchange market. Bitcoin has just completely neglected the market because it's a very generic coin which came in the market in 2008, and it picked up by the general public itself. Imagine if the Bitcoin would have come on the foreign exchange market with a limited supply, the price would have gone more than what the price is today, right? So that was the area that we want to fill up. So it has been picked up widely, as I said, by some leading newspaper like Finance Magnet, Al Jazeera, CNBC, CNN. Many newspapers in India has also picked up this article. So we are now very well recognized around the industry that Bull Infotech has partnered with Bitsolives to launch a new coin. And I think you all are here today to understand that excitement, what exactly we are going to reveal out today. Before we do a deep dive into the whole concept of Bucks coin, I think it is very, very important for all of you sitting out here, whether they are investor, whether they are affiliate, to understand one important thing is how the market, how the volume, and the cap plays an important role for any currency. So I have done some comparative studies, just want to show you that look at the scenario of the cryptocurrency. This is the future, this is the way forward. So first slide shows you that we are only comparing few coins based on the price, just the price we are talking about out here, yeah? Look at the price. Take an example of Bitcoin. It came into existence 9 years ago. 9 years ago it came into existence, and the price right now today is sitting at $2,800. Imagine there is any currency in the world which has a price value $2,800. We all have only so far traded on a fiat currencies. Fiat currencies are normal traditional currencies, like dollar, like Thai baht, like any other currency, like pound. But the thing is, when you have these traditional currencies with you, the value of the traditional currencies will never go up. Why? Because the fiat currencies are always under the regulation and monitored by the government. It is completely controlled by the government. So if there is a less currency, they print more currency. When they print more currency, the inflation kicks up, right? But the price always fluctuates up and down. Imagine you have an option where you can convert your currency, your own physical currency, into a coin, which will give you a growth on your currency as well. That is amazing to me, to be honest, you know. So, Ethereum, for example, 2 years ago came into existence, and the market cap, look at the market cap at the moment, the price is more than $200, right? So the price is actually going up. Why? Why? Because the concept, people are now understanding the concept. People are actually understood the concept that right now, looking to the instability of the economic sector, looking to the instability of the banking sector, I think it is the right time to convert your money into a digital cash. Because digital cash is helping you in many ways. One of the ways digital cash is helping you is you secure your money, you keep your money in a wallet, because it's a world of technology these days. You know, we have a smartphone in our pocket, we are traveling all around the world, and we are managing everything to just, you know, a click of a button. That's it. So why don't we have something, our cash in our hand, and we can move whatever, wherever we want to move it. And that is actually driving the price up. Why? Because people now are moving towards this side. People now understood very well that this is the safest way to secure your money. This is the safest way, not only to secure your money, but to multiply your investment as well. So I think, you know, anybody who don't understand, even he will come into it and think, yeah, that's a very good idea. Actually, if I have a cash in a bank, for example, $1,000 I keep in a bank account, bank will give you how much rate of interest? Bank will give you 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, that's it. But your money will never grow. Bank use your money to make money and give you just a peanut out of it. Yeah? But in a cryptocurrency, the things are completely different. Because of the limited supply of the currencies, the price are kicking up and up. Yeah? Imagine Bitcoin, somebody has predicted, I was reading an article a couple of weeks ago, and one of the analysts has said that it is predicted that in the next 5 years' time, Bitcoin will probably cross more than $50,000. So imagine if you have one Bitcoin that equates to $50,000. So this is where we have to think about. I will also give you some insight about the new coin. These are some of the veterans. These are some of the coins who have created a benchmark. So we always look at, like, these are the daddies, you know. Let's look at the kids. The new coins that have just come, 2017 EOS. Look at the first coin. 2017, 2nd of July, it was launched, and the value is now $1.68. Likewise, there are many other currencies in this slide that you can see came into existence in 2016, 15, and they are more than $10, $50. So you can understand one thing, that cryptocurrency market will keep on going up and up and up. So this is the right time. This is the right time to enter into this financial market. This is the right time to secure your investment by converting your cash into the crypto coins. Now, second part of my slide is the next comparative study that I want to show you is the supply factor. Now, as I just quoted a couple of minutes ago, every currency, whether it is a fiat currency or a cryptocurrency, has a limited supply. But when we talk about the traditional currency, the supply is actually governed by the central bank of that particular country. And when the central bank thinks we need to print more, then the value of the currency actually goes down. Inflation kicks up, right? But in the crypto world, scenario is completely different. There is a limited production of every coin, and there are more people on the planet. Yeah, let's take an example of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin supply is only 21 million. Only 21 million coin has been produced, but the people on the planet are 7 billion. How will 21 million coin will cater to 7 billion people on the earth? And as and when we are moving forward, when people understand the value of the coin, people are just going and buying the coin. So there is more demand and there's less supply. So what will happen when there is more demand and less supply? That's the goal. Automatically the price will kick up, right? So in the case of Bucks coin, we have 500 million coins already we have done, out of which 250 million coins we have pre-mined. That means we have got enough supply to float in the market. But it again, it is not enough. This will be exhausted at some point of time. But the thing is, it is the right time to enter and buy a Bucks coin, because maybe after 1 year, the Bucks coin plane will take off and we are sitting on a price of say $10. Then people will start finding, oh, is there anybody online who is selling Bucks coin? And then it will be too late, right? So that is why we are here, to reveal the concept. But the concept, we are trying to tell you what is the concept of raising a price. We are just not here talking anything in the air. All the currencies, one more important factor I want to highlight here is, most of the cryptocurrencies that you have seen, as far as I know out of my financial knowledge, I don't know from where those currencies has evolved. You can't find, number one. Number two, those currencies are not based in any of the financial hub. That is the reason we have come into existence, because we thought we are sitting in London, which is one of the biggest financial market. People have completely ignored. Imagine the market which has been ignored, yet the coin value has gone up. If those coins would have sat in UK and put their coin in the biggest financial market, the coin value might have gone up. But those people just think, that's fine, we don't have to come to the UK market, we don't have to come to the foreign exchange market, because again, the demand is going up, people are happy, people want to buy a coin, and people are just converting their investment into coins. So now it's important to understand, you have seen two slides, supply, gear up the price. You have seen that over the period of time, limited supply of coins has increased the price over the period of time, and Bitcoin again is the biggest example. The price of the coin is going up and up and up. Now, what are the important factors that you all need to understand that actually push the price up, right? So the first factor is the demand and supply. If there is less supply, there's more demand, the price will automatically go up. Do you agree with that? Right. Second part is the utility of the currency. When it comes to the utility of currency, means how important it is for a customer to actually utilize the currency. So if you are actually using your currency nowadays, cryptocurrencies are being widely accepted across the world. Bitcoin, for example, again is an example where now you can use Bitcoin wherever you want to go. You can buy an air ticket, they have an ATMs all across the world, you can go and cash your money as well. So that means the utility helps to push the price up. Third important part is the perception of the people. People like all of you are sitting out here, you now have a perception. What is the perception? The perception is that I understand cryptocurrency, I have seen the market, I have seen that the market is going up. Now your perception is positive today. You are positive that if today you invest in a cryptocurrency, the price will push up. That means when more and more investors will start coming on, more and more users will start joining any crypto coin, there is when the perception change into positivity, and that gears the price of the coin. Right? Fourth important point is the investors. Again, this product is for the mass market. This product is for the entire world, because cash is something that we live on. We don't have cash, we die, to be honest, So the thing is, investor participant in any crypto coin is very important. This is the main success behind the evolution or the growth of any coin. Then comes the transaction time. Now people talk about transaction time. Many people come up with a query saying that, fine, I have invested in a coin, I have got a wallet, I've got everything. But the thing is, when I send a money from one place to another, it takes a hell of a time, and I'm not satisfied with that. So transaction time plays a very important role. It is an instant transfer of the cash. So as far as the transaction time of any coin is less than what you expect, this will push the price up again. Then comes the innovation. Of course, technology is the backbone of the coin, any technology. So it is very important from the investor point of view to understand one thing, that if you are investing in any coin, you are actually investing in a technology. Because if technology is good, when I talk about technology, is the latest technology-based wallets. So how quickly the wallets transfer the money from one place to another. What technology are they based on? Are they encrypted? Somebody's going to hack it or not? These are the very important part. Blockchains, mining, how the mining is done, how quickly the mining is done. This is all very important. And then comes the social media. Social media, as we all know, we are quite connected with the social media around the world. I found my friend after 10 years on a Facebook. And I think many of you sitting out here might have gone through the same thing. You find your friend, your school friends after 10, 15 years. So thanks to the Facebook. So social media plays a very, very important, a vital role in the success of any financial product these days. Why I'm saying social media is why? Because when people start talking, because at the end of the day, I am tweeting, the businesses are tweeting, persons are tweeting, you are on a Facebook, you're saying, you know what, I have seen, man, Bitcoin is doing very well. Bucks coin is going really high. It's 25 cents they have started, the price kicking up. So when you talk on a social media, this is where the interest is created. And when the public interest is created, again, it helps the coin to grow. This is a very important chart for all of you to understand. And the reason I have actually put together this chart for all of you to understand, and when I started my speech, the first thing I said to you about the foreign exchange market. Now, this is the crux of our coin. This is the backbone of our coin. So I'm going to reveal it later on my slides, but what I'm trying to say here is why cryptocurrency, what is the market cap of cryptocurrency, and what is the market cap of foreign exchange market. Imagine if we merge together both the markets, what will happen to the value of the coin. So right now, if you look at this chart, the market depth of cryptocurrencies, there are 25 billion cryptocurrencies. The volume of the cryptocurrency is around 25 billion, and it is multiplying day after day. 25 billion. Compared to the foreign exchange market, when we're talking about foreign exchange market, anybody have any guess? What's the daily volume of foreign exchange market? Any guesses? Any figure? Give me any figure, please. How much? 4 trillion. Somebody said 4 trillion. Imagine 4 trillion. The actual foreign exchange market is 5 trillion. That too has increased now to 5.5 trillion. We are talking about 5.5 trillion a day market here. And you know one thing, many of you doesn't know that out of 5.5 trillion a day market, 55% of that market is traded where? Any guesses? That's right. 55% of 5 trillion, 5.5 trillion a day market is traded in London. So that is the reason our existence is in London. That is the reason we are launching our currency from London. Why? Because we are connected to that important part of the financial industry. Right? Now, our plan is basically to bring cryptocurrency, Bucks coin, with different foreign exchange markets, foreign exchange product. So, for example, dollar, GBP, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, Thai baht, whatever any currency you thought about. But look at the volume. Out of 5.5 trillion a day market, if we bring Bucks coin against dollar, that means if somebody is trading on Bucks coin with dollar, that means the dollar is taking 85% of the 5.5 trillion day market. So once Bucks coin goes with dollar in the market, imagine where the volume will go up. Market cap of any product is based on the volume. The more volume comes in, the market cap goes up, and hence the spread, the price of that product will go up. Understood? Now, come to the main part of our product, long-awaited product, Bucks coin, which we have, started the concept. And Bucks coin definitely is a dream for many people. For me, it's a dream because I've been working on this project for such a long time. And I was very excited because when I came up with this concept of Bucks coin, the one thing that I understood is it's a complete challenge for me to bring Bucks coin into foreign exchange market. Number one, because this is where I am creating a revolution in the cryptocurrency market, because none of the cryptocurrency market at the moment is in the foreign exchange market. And if you look, it is very important to understand, I am saying that why? Because when you do your investment with us, when you buy coins, it is very important to understand how your money will multiply and what is actually gearing that up, what is pushing that up. We are not doing any business where, we are increasing the price just for the sake of increasing the price, or we are dependent on number of users. No, that is one side of the model. That is natural. That is what all the currencies are doing. But imagine if we are trying to attach this market, and not only foreign exchange market, we might bring Bucks coin into other financial market as well later on. So imagine the volume will start coming up from all direction, right? So that has created a concept of Bucks coin. The uniqueness that we have, and I think everybody wants to know out here, okay, fine, we came up here for a seminar, we are now investing in a Bucks coin, but what is so unique about the product? And I think it's very important for all of you to understand. The number one point about the uniqueness of Bucks coin is we have a pre-mined 250 million coin. That is, from day one, many people can invest with us and we can give up to 250 million coins. So again, this is the right time for people to invest and get the coin, because before the plane takes off, the price goes up, it's very hard for anyone to find Bucks coin, like any other currency that you can see. Second important part is the fast transaction from wallet to wallet. So we have actually, before laying the concept of the coin, of course, we have done all the groundwork. What are the groundwork? We have to make sure that we are ahead of the technology, that we are creating wallets which are better than the other wallets. We are creating wallets which connect to other wallets as well, other coins as well. So all these things we have developed under our wallet. Third thing is e-commerce platform. Of course, e-commerce platform plays very, very important role, because everybody is shopping these days, Everybody is buying something somewhere. So I think this is the biggest market we cannot neglect. Look at Amazon. The volume of Amazon is in billions right now. People are buying every day. People are shopping every day. So imagine if we have our coin attached to any one of these merchants, what will happen? More and more users will come up, more and more volume will go in the market, and hence it will increase the value. Fourth important point is the proof of work and the proof of stake. Many crypto coins basically are doing only proof of work, and nobody is doing a proof of stake. When you go to the next slide, I will just come back again. So this is a chart here. I just wanted to show you that the proof of work and the proof of stake is only done by a few cryptocurrencies. We have just taken a comparative study of few coins and all the top coins. Even the Bitcoin is doing the proof of work stake, where only the mining is done, but the staking is not done, right? We are offering a coin which has got a proof of work, that is, the mining is done properly, and we also staking for the customers as well. So both these things are done. And look at the block time. The block time for any mine is 2 minutes only, and the miner who does that block get a 50 reward, right? So that means our technology covers both aspects of the business. Then comes the public exchange. Now, most of the currencies are either traded on a general public exchange like Bittrex, Polynex, C6. There are so many exchanges which has been made by the public. So we have come up with an idea that why don't we go and list ourselves on these exchanges? Of course, we will do it, but the thing is, let's create our own community. Let's create our own exchange where people can come buy and sell our coin. Not only they can buy and sell our coin, but they can also trade. So we want to give facility to our client on both sides, right? And that is the reason we have created exchange. Another important part of the exchange is we are also trying to build up an exchange where we just don't want people to come and buy Bucks coin. If somebody is interested to invest in the Bucks coin, he's holding Ethereum, he's got Litecoin, Dashcoin, Bitcoin, any coin that you name, you are more than welcome to come to our exchange and you can buy with those alternative currencies Bucks coin. So this is the main part of the exchange. Then comes the master nodes. Now master nodes, many of you don't know, but master node is again an ecosystem which has been developed by the cryptocurrencies. There are few currencies again which is offering a master node. Now master node is a sort of a technical thing where a miner comes with his wallet and it attached a community, a small community. They have a wallet and they all get connected to that master node, and then the mining is done wallet to wallet. So that way the mining is done quickly. The instant message is sent and the transaction is anonymous. Nobody can know where the transaction has come from. So for many people, for many investors, for many corporate, master nodes plays a very important role. Now, again, Bucks coin FX exchange we're talking about. again and again, I'm reiterating, reinforcing the same thing. FX exchange is a new thing that we are actually attaching to our coin. And many of you who are here, I can say probably many of you know the foreign exchange market. You might be trading somewhere on some market, but why not you get everything under one umbrella? You get an exchange where not only you can physically buy and sell, but if you feel like, okay, hang on, I think the market is really volatile, the dollar is kicking up, let's trade. Let's trade. Or the money you make on a Bucks coin, for example, you make some profit. You think, okay, the money is there on a stake, but if you take some money out and let's push some money on the FX side and let's trade and make more money. So you have an alternative of actually making money on both sides of the exchanges. That is the concept. And last is the liquidity on the Bitcoin. The liquidity on the banking side. Now, in the crypto world, all the cryptocurrencies specifically designed for the retail market. Means users, investors, these are the people who has invested in the cryptocurrency. But the biggest chunk of business again has been neglected. Why? Because there's one reason that all the currencies have neglected that part of the world is because there's so much business on this side of the retail that nobody wants to go to the corporate side of the world. But corporate has got more volume. If you talk about HSBC Bank, you talk about Barclays Bank, you talk about any other multinational bank, they are doing a financial transaction every day. And the sad part is that with the fiat currencies, it is fluctuating up and down. Let's take an example of Brexit. How many of you know about Brexit? Okay. Brexit basically is where the UK has decided to come out of the European Union after a very long time. Right? What is happening with Brexit? The pound is fluctuating up and down. Businesses are losing big time money through Brexit, after Brexit. So what people are doing now, businesses are thinking, let's go and move to the crypto side because this is where the money is secure, but at least we don't have to suffer from all these economic conditions, yeah? So what banks are doing basically is banks is also moving towards the crypto side. They're trying to get into crypto side. So if there's a massive volume going on the banking, even the bank, the bank also hedge. Hedge means the bank also minimize their risk by trading on the alternative product. And for them, crypto is the safest product to trade on. And that is the reason most of the volume are now going from the bank to the crypto side because it's the safest product. There's no downside of the product. The market is always going up and up and up. There's only few instances where you will see the market will go down. In FX, there's always uncertainty because FX is very, very volatile market. When we say volatile, it's like you are sitting in a roller coaster ride where you like swinging up and down, up and down, up and down. Market goes down, market goes up and down. You lose money, you make money. But on the crypto history, if you look at the crypto history, the market trend is always upside, right? So even corporate is looking now to have a safe haven. And this is why we are now talking to many banks in England where we are introducing this. Recently, Bank of England has announced that they are coming up with their own coin, which is RS coin. What else can we say now? So imagine even the Bank of England has thought, with Brexit, probably pound will, I don't know, what will be the value of the pound? It will go down, down, and down. So it's better we come into a cryptocurrency. Why? Because that way we'll secure our economic ecosystem. Yeah, England is very smart. England and America is very smart. I don't know about Donald Trump, but at least I know about Theresa May, that she is thinking that at the moment, if we want to safeguard our money, the value of the country, it's better to shift into crypto coin. So they are launching RS coin next year. Everything will be digitalized. Anyhow, in England and America, we hardly use cash. Do you know that? We hardly use cash. You go underground, you tap. You go and buy anything, you tap. We have got a debit card which you can take out money up to like 50 pound, 100 pound, just tap and take out. So we have gone to that side of the world where things have become so easy for retailers in this side of the world that cryptocurrency is a perfect fit for any retailers. And that is when they are launching it. Now, this is the big part. And I think most of you have some questions out here going on in their mind. What are the reasons why we invest in Bucks coin? Why Bitsolives, Bull and Footek? I think there are 10 main reasons that I think very important for any investor to come and invest in Bucks coin. And I think the first point is the experienced team. Actually, you're not investing in a coin. All of you sitting out here know somebody, right? Has anybody come directly to Bucks coin and said, I'm investing? No. You are actually have a confidence in the team that is behind Bucks Coin. So it is very important that you invest in a team, you don't invest in a coin. Because if you invest in a team, you have experienced people that you're investing on, those people will actually make the dream come true, because that brain will work on 24/7 to make it happen, right? So this is very important. Second is, technology always plays a very important role. We want to make sure that the technology we are bringing on is user-friendly. We want to make sure that technology is advanced, right? It is abreast of all the technologies that are in the market. So again, it is very important. Third part is a partnership. Now, for any business, company alone can't do anything. Partners go hand in hand with the company. So it is very important for a company to share the knowledge and experience to all the investors. So for example, you are sitting out here, today what I am doing, I'm actually trying to relay the experience, the message. I'm trying to share my experience and the Bitsolives experience, the management experience, the product that we are launching today. This is what we are sharing. So you understand today what Bucks Coin is all about. What is the future? So it is important that we always come in hand with our partner to tell them what is going on and what is our next future plans. After that is the growth strategy. Now, growth strategy is the backbone of all the 10 reasons. Why? Because if you are investing in any product, especially if you're investing in Bucks Coin, everybody is curious, excited to know what will be the future of Bucks Coin. Today we are starting with 25 cents. Will it go up? Will it go down? How much will it go up? So the growth strategy is very, very important. Then decentralized system. I think we know from day one that let's build up a system. There are many, many currencies in the market. You know they are centralized. Centralized means you cannot see anything. You cannot see anything with your naked eyes. Everything is hidden. You just know that the market price is going up. Somebody said, oh, hi, you know what? You invest today, the market is $5. And because I know you, I invested in that. But you actually cannot see anything. So we wanted to share this experience. We wanted to come up with a system which is decentralized. Means it should be open to public. All of you can see what is going on. All of you can see what is the growth, what is the upward trend of the price of the Bucks Coin. That is what you want to know. You want to see with your bare naked eyes, right? So that is important to be a decentralized system. Then comes the financial hub. Again, as I said in my speech in the beginning as well, why London? We are sitting in London. Why? Because again, it is very important that you are associated, or the coin or the product that I'm bringing now is associated with the world's biggest market. Because this is where we get to know what is going on. This is where we get connected to the new technology. London is a place from where things goes out. As it is the hub of the financial market, every new technology goes out from there. Every new product goes out from there. Volume goes out from there. So that's the reason we are sitting out there. Then comes the global affiliate networks. Now, global affiliate network, of course, for a success of a coin, it is important that we throw our product in the market, because it is made specifically designed for the user, for the people sitting out here, right? So it is very important that we create a global network. And we already have a network. You know, we already created a network today. We have a network of many countries, and those people are sitting out here. So people have come from different parts of the world. Why? Because you have a trust on us, and you are our strength. You actually are strength, and that is where we grow. Then comes Bucks Coin versus FX. I will talk about it later on as well, because my main model is on that. But Bucks Coin against FX, as I said, this is the main point of our agenda. We are actually bringing Bucks Coin into foreign exchange market. Thank you. Now comes another part, which is the utility. Again, I've already spoken about utility. We are creating an e-commerce platform. We are bringing all those stuff. We are attaching to a coin so that utility becomes easy for our customers. Whoever will come and invest, get everything under one umbrella. And then partial banking. Partial banking is very important. I was actually, when I was running my foreign exchange firm, at that time, that was in 2012 and 13, many people sitting out here, they know about this concept because they are attached to me. I was about to jump into the money remittance market. And believe me, money remittance market is very big market. If I just talk about UK and India money remittance corridor. Do you know how much is the monthly volume? It's 40 million pound per month volume only from UK. In UAE, there are all the laborers who are working in UAE are from India and from Asia region. Let's take an example of India. Maximum people, maximum laborers are working in UAE. Anybody who is less than 3,000 dirham in UAE doesn't have a bank account. What they do, they basically send their money. The day they get the money, they send the money out. This is the retail market. Then we have a corporate market where the banks are doing transaction. Now, what we are trying to come up with, we have already designed the product where we will bring, once the Bucks coin will stabilize in the market, have a price, have a value, we will introduce Bucks coin as a payment channel, as a core part of the remittance business. Because then you just buy a Bucks coin from me here in UK, and then you open a wallet in India and transfer the money from UK to India. Do you have to pay any fee? No. Today, if you look at the model of Western Union, for example, Western Union actually is minting money. And we know because we don't have any option. Why? Because A, they make money on the fluctuation of a price. So for example, I am sending 100 pound to India. I know the price on the market is 1 pound is equal to 100 rupees, but they will never give you 100 rupees. They always give you 80, 85, 90. They are still making 10 rupees on that. One thing. Second thing, they are always charging you with a commission. You cannot send any money without a commission. So they are making a lot of money from both sides. Imagine the important role that cryptocurrency will play in that market. Right now, again, none of the cryptocurrency has come into existence who have actually looked into the remittance market, but this is another big market which will kick in the volume. Once we are stabilized, we will go into the parallel banking. Okay, looks very like it looks like an engine, you know. I know people might not understand what exactly is going on here, but I'm going to simplify the whole diagram. But it's very important to understand this is the main part of this presentation, that how we will increase the price of the Bucks coin over the period of time. Once you do your investment, I know people will have a question in mind, fine, I'm investing, but what is the reason and how Bitsolives and Bucks coin will help increase the price of the coin? So we have simplified it into two parts. Who is angry? And people started breaking the glasses. Bhai, abhi there's a lot of things to go around. I think you will break the glass after the end of the presentation, probably. Anyhow, coming back to this part, I think this is very important. Try to focus more on this side. Wow. A big round of applause for this gentleman. So are you excited? Yes. Or is it a boring presentation? No. That's good. That's what I wanted to listen. At least my bosses are happy with me now. You know, they will give me an increment. Good. Coming back to this side. This model is this is the model that we have developed. Now, we are coming up with two main models. One is the traditional way of exchanging the currency. Yeah, that is normal in the market. You go and buy Bitcoin from online, you create users, okay, buy and sell, demand supplies keep fluctuating up and down, and the price will go up. That is traditional. We will do that because that's a common thing that we have to do anyhow. Yeah. So what we are trying to do out here in this model is, I'm just trying to actually show you that at the end of the day, when the price moves up, yeah, people, investors who are here, sitting here, they know one factor only, that yes, it is the usability of the coin which actually is kicking up the price. Yeah. But let's look at the background. There are many other things which we do behind the scenes. And this is what we are doing behind the scenes for Bucks coin. So there's a traditional model where users are basically going to an exchange. We create users through affiliate. Of course, it's very important because right now nobody knows Bucks coin. It's the word of mouth. You go out, you go out and you tell your friend, why don't you invest in Bucks coin? It's the future. It's where you make money, man. Come on. So let's mess it. So this is one way where the volume is. So people will start coming and buying, right? Another way is the usability. So this is how the volume will goes up. Now at the back of the model, we have a price repository system. That means this is where we collect the volume. Yeah, and then the price will automatically start shooting up. Okay. Then comes the second model. So there's one part from where the volume are coming up. You know, the Bucks coin is being buying and selling going on through our exchange. But at the same time, we are actually attaching the virtual side of the trading, the virtual side of the buying and selling. One is physical, one is physical model. You are actually going and buying. You're giving your cash, and you are taking bucks coin, then you are selling bucks coin, getting a cash. But the other market is virtual market, where actually there's no physical buying and selling going on. It is the dark side of the financial market actually, which is foreign exchange market, where the virtual trading is done. So virtual trading, when I say, that means it is an underlying market. Underlying market means this is a remote you can see. Nobody is physically buying it. There's a price of this remote, and people like to buy this remote because there's a price on it. Let's go. I think the price will go up. Somebody thinks the price will go down. So people are actually bidding on it. They are actually bidding on it, and that's gear up the price. Right? So this is the biggest part by, and this is a leveraged trading. This is called margin trading. Margin trading means when the trader will come on this side to trade on the foreign exchange market, he will buy, say, 10 bucks coin. He wants to trade on 10 bucks coin. We give him a margin of, say, 10. That means he will put $1 and trade up to $10. This is called margin trading or a leverage trading, right? So that is the reason the volume start going up. Why? Because when you give leverage to the people, that means you are actually giving credit to the investor to trade on. The trader will come and speculate, number one. Number two, it's a highly speculative market. I'm not talking about the normal traders trading out here. You can come and trade, of course, but the traders in the entire world are speculative. Speculative means you always see the rising sun and you say, let's do it, let's buy it. This is called speculative. Yeah. Then it is because it is open 24 hours 7, you think, why not? If somebody said, you know what, bucks coin value today has just gone up to, say, $1.25. You immediately open your system and you said, let's buy 100 lots of bucks coin because bucks coin price is going up. Again, you have get up the price. So these are the two model, and the volume actually is coming from both sides to our central repository price system, which is the price system which is actually accumulating all the volume and increasing the market cap. Once the market cap is going up, that means the price automatically will go up. Understood? So this is actual model we are trying to build up, which we have built up actually. We're not building up, but we have built up this model which we are bringing up. As I said, cryptocurrency is fairly very new in the foreign exchange market. And I think we are entering this market at the right time and the right point. Because again, once we enter the market with a good infrastructure, I think sky is the limit. Trust me, sky is the limit. This is where we will get all the market into us. And we will be the first coin. I know that there's couple of coins being traded. There are a couple of coins being traded in the market, and those are like Bitcoin, Ethereum, only 3-4 coins. But even Bitcoin and Ethereum doesn't have that market depth. That market depth we will create for our coin for the trader to come and trade. Because trader, when they trade, they look at the market depth. Means they look at the liquidity, and then they trade. Is it clear? Yes. Sure? Yes. Should I end my presentation? No. Good. So, now we talk about this model. We will go more, I will go slightly more in detail because I think this is the crux of my business model and we need to understand. Because traditional, as I said, traditional is traditional. That nobody can stop. This will keep on going. You go buy and sell bucks coin from our exchange, from Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D. People will do that. But this is what we need to understand because we will give you this facility as well moving forward. We'll go back, sorry. So we have developed a user interface. This is the user interface that we are developing, which is called MT4, MetaTrader 4. Okay. Now we are bringing up in a form of tablets and stuff like that because at the end of the day, nobody has a time to go on a desktop and start trading. It's on a go market. I am sitting on a plane. I am going from Bangkok to London, and I get to know I am a financial market freak. I'm a trader, to be honest. I'm a trader. Myself, I'm a trader. I always look at the market because I am an opportunist. Whenever the market goes up, I just go make money and I'm out. So this is the era of technology. So it is very important that we bring our platform on our devices, which is in our pocket. So this is what we have created. Now on this device is connected to our central repository system. That means that if you have a Bucks coin, you can actually see the Bucks coin in our wallet on our trading platform, and then you can actually trade on it. You can trade. So the product that we are bringing for trading is Bucks coin against BTC, Bucks coin against Ethereum. All the top cryptos we will pegged up with Bucks coin. Number one. Number two, we are also going to bring Bucks coin with all the foreign exchange market. We're also going to bring Bucks coin with commodities like gold, silver, oil. So we'll give you a full era of product. Full. So you can have an access to all the market. You can trade wherever, whenever you want to trade and make the money and out of it. So the thing is, you are now having one wallet which is attached to two parts. One is where you can physically buy and sell, but at the same time, if you think, yeah, let's trade now, because the market is going up, Bucks coin price is increasing, you can push the money onto the MT4 platform and then start trading as well. Now tell me which cryptocurrency has given you the option. Trust me, Google it. You will see that cryptocurrency is being traded on the MT4 platform, but none of the cryptocurrency has actually came to this concept. Nobody has looked into it, but I believe that once we are in the market, we will create the benchmark, and many other will follow us. But it's too late for them. And as I said, I'm not going to neglect the corporate side, because my job, to be honest, my job here is to tell you that from where actually I'm collecting the money for my Bucks coin. And I'm collecting the money from everywhere. I'm collecting the money from retail market, that is you guys investing, trading, buying, selling. But at the same time, I'm also reaching out to the banks. Again, I will say, and I will guarantee you today, none of the cryptocurrency so far is available with any banks. Bank is not clearing. We will create this history, and you will be the part of this history. Good, at least I feel more energetic now. People are happy, you know. So, liquidity for banks plays a very important part, because as I said, I have already reached out to Deutsche Bank, JP Morgan. These are the brokers like CMC. These are the top FX broker in London, whom I've already spoken to, because I know the market myself. I was a market maker once. I was a broker myself in London. So I know that there is a need, there is an appetite for the brokers to actually put the cryptocurrency into the liquidity pool. Everybody wants new. There was one Chinese trader, very crazy, 2 years ago. He always come and trade with us. And I was always puzzled. All my traders were like thinking, yeah, what he does, man? He comes 3 in the morning when the market is sleeping. When we are even sleeping. You know, my dealers are, oh, man, nobody will come, there's no volume because market is off. He comes, he poke the market. Poke the market means when you are actually sleeping, he comes and he touches the market, and the prices move up, he make the money, millions, and he goes out. I think, how this guy does that, man? Honestly, trust me, I'm not joking. I flew from London to Hong Kong to meet that guy. To say, "Bhai, take some money from me and please trade it. At least I can make some millions out of it." But why you trade? He said, because the thing is, as a trader, my job is to make money from a product which is new. My job is to make a money from a product which has got volatility. And especially I try to make money when the market is asleep. Right? So Chinese traders are the crazy traders. They are the best traders in the world, to be honest. They trade so good. And those are the people actually who will come and trade in Bucks coin. Why? Because they always want to trade in a new product. One main reason. What is the main reason? Everybody trades in dollar. Dollar is 85% of the 5.5 trillion a day market. It is so volatile up and down, like when you sit on a dollar, it's like roller coaster. You never know what will go up and down. When it will go up, when it will go down. So if the dollar is attached to a lighter product, which is Bucks coin, then actually they are saving money. Why? Because they know if the dollar goes up and down, I can at least save money by investing into Bucks coin, because Bucks coin is not that volatile. Right? So this will create an interest for the trader to come and trade. And this is what we want. This is what we are trying to do. We are creating that environment for the traders to come in. And slowly, one day I believe that Maybe the next launch we do after, say, a year when we have a better price on exchange, same day I will be speaking to you again, and then, I will be saying to you, there's so much volatility on Bucks coin that, traders are just like saying, what, let's keep trading on it. Why? Because the price is going up and up and up. This is the product that we should start poking in. And when I say banks, when I say the corporate model, the important part of the corporate model is retail, like me and you, we trade on a small amount because, of course, we have a very less risk appetite, right? We have a very less risk appetite. But banks has a very vast books. They have got big money that they are doing. The money that you put in a bank account, where I was talking to you initially, whatever money you have, you don't take all the money out, right? You only take few bucks out of your account whenever it requires. But all the money that is still there in your account, what bank is doing with that? Bank is actually have all those capital, and bank is trading on this market to make money on that, on your money. This is what bank is doing. That is the reason the volume of bank is 50 times more than the retail market. 50 times more than the retail market. So if we provide this product to the banks, and again, as I said, banks are also looking for a new product. Nobody has introduced cryptos. Banks are looking, because I have attended a conference in London. That was in 2016, and that conference was about the financial sectors and the new products that are coming up. And as a broker, when I went there, and I was doing a lot of investigation on the cryptocurrency side, the concept was there already. We've already built up the concept. I just wanted to go and see what the bank appetite is all about. So many banks, like Barclay Bank, with whom we have a corporate account as well in London, they are actually looking to diverse their portfolio from the FX to actually crypto. They want to trade on crypto. But they said none of the cryptocurrencies so far has approached us. Why? Because they are busy in their own part of the world. Retailer, investors, that's it. Right? So I think this is where we want to create a history. Just to look at the quick, what we want to do in terms of the trading. Again, as I said, you have seen BTC. I think many people have seen BTC trading on a couple of platforms in London, but that too only on BTC against dollar, BTC on. So you haven't seen any model so far where crypto is trading against crypto and crypto is trading against other financial products. So we have already done that. We already built that model. Bull Infotech has built that model, and we are now integrated into our trading platform, where the investors will have an access to all these products where you can trade from crypto to crypto. So actually what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a level playing field for all the traders to come actually and get to touch into this market, especially the investors who have got Ethereum, for example. Now people have got Ethereum, they think, okay, fine, Ethereum is stable. Everybody wants to try new thing, Everybody wants to try new thing. If we have a small package, everybody thinks, okay, before going in more into Bucks coin, let's take a small package and see how it goes. So we have a psychology of trying a new thing, right? So I think this is where we wanted to come up with this concept so that we can give people an environment where they can trade on different levels. Finally, this is the slide where I have done all those bakwas I have accumulated into one slide, so that you can understand at the end of the day, So the thing is, mobile wallet is being created, okay? Again, this is now being connected through a bridge. Again, this is a bespoke, customized bridge that we have created, and we will be selling this bridge to all the cryptocurrencies. All the cryptocurrencies, there are 2 cryptocurrencies who has approached me. They want this bridge so that they can connect to the FX. They can connect to it. So people have already started coming to us. So why should we give our bridge to them when we have a unique product, right? So this wallet will be connected to the MetaTrader platform, which is a user interface, which is then connected to the Bucks exchange. And behind the Bucks exchange is a liquidity pool. So that means when you are trading, you have a single mobile wallet for 2 things. One is you do physical exchange, buying and selling, but at the same time you want to trade, you can push the money to MT4 platform, your Bucks coin to MT4 platform, and then you take a position on a leveraged. That means you give 10 Bucks coin and take an exposure of 100 Bucks coin, for example, and then you trade on the exchange. The price, basically exchange is just the information system where our coin is listed, and the price is there. It is not to trade actually, but we are pulling that information, the pricing from our exchange, coming to here MT4. The main part of this thing is basically is this. So you are not trading as such. This exchange is only for physical buying and selling. You have a bucks coin tomorrow, you want to sell. Once the price goes up, you think, let's sell it, then you can go ahead and sell it here. But if you want to trade, we have connected this with this. So you have two options, and this is our liquidity pool, where the prices are coming up. I know it's quite technical, but the thing is, this is very important part for our product. This is where we have been working for last so many years to build up this model. And trust me, this is the ultimate model. This is the ultimate model, which will eventually help us to grow the value of the coin in a lesser time than other cryptocurrencies has done. So, are you ready? Yes! That's the spirit. Thank you again. I have taken a lot of time. Thank you for listening to me, sitting patiently, But it's the day I was looking forward to be honest. I hope I have made things clear to you. I hope my model is clear to you. So enjoy your day. Enjoy Pattaya.